Hello everyone, I'm Yordan Stefanov from BudgetSensors, and this is a screencast about our atomic force microscopy calibration nanogrid. Atomic force microscopes are used for visualization of nanometer scale objects, but also for quantitative three-dimensional measurements. For those measurements to be accurate, the AFMs must be properly calibrated. Our CS20NG calibration nanogrid is an easy-to-use, affordable, robust and reliable sample for AFM calibration. The nanogrid is a 5 by 5 mm silicon chip which is available either mounted on a 12 mm metal disc or unmounted, and it fits easily on any AFM sample holder. It features durable silicon dioxide structures on a silicon substrate. Arrays of structures with different shapes are available. Square pillars and holes with 10 micrometer pitch, lines, circular holes and circular pillars with 5 micrometer pitch, and circular holes with 500 nanometer pitch. These arrays are designed for vertical and lateral AFM scanner calibration. Based on our manufacturing and measurement equipment, we guarantee 100 nanometer pitch accuracy for the 5 and 10 micrometer pitch arrays and 10 nanometer pitch accuracy for the nano array. We also guarantee 5% step height accuracy. The step height of each standard is individually measured and indicated on the box label. Please note that the roughness of the nanogrid surface is not negligible relative to the total step height. Calibrating your AFM system based on a single profile line can lead to a large error. This is why we recommend that a profile is averaged over several micrometers for accurate calibration. Thank you for watching. Please visit our website or write us an email if you need further information.